All right, good luck, Rose. Happy birthday. It is her birthday tomorrow, 5/18. Of these, yeah, I have 4 more of these. Buy 3 autographs and 1 memorabilia box. 2021 Chronicles of the Baseball. Good luck, senorita. Buena suerte. And these have been smoking forever. These have been sitting up there since 2021. I made a funny. I made a funny. Good luck, Rose. First autograph is Kip Brian Hayes, Obsidian rookie autograph. That number. I'm going to go Casey Mize, Clear Vision, Christian Pache for the Braves, Mike Trout, Monte Harrison, Nick Madrigal, and Kershaw. Come on, Jackie Robinson cut autograph. Oh, wait, wrong product, right? Los Altivic, Eugenio Suarez, 79/99 for the Reds. Rookie jersey. Jared Kelenic, rookie, rated rookie. Jazz Chisholm. We got Joe Adele. Pedro Alonso. Oh, by the way, if somebody got some Mets cards that they don't belong to them, let me know, please. Chris Bryant and David Ortiz. This is an FYI. Joe Adele, we got Eugenio Suarez. Again. All right. Alex Kirilloff, Tanner, Incredible Hulk, Yermin Mercedes, and a red. Dane Dunning for the for the Tigers. It's got a little ding down here. It's 45/50. Yu Darvish and Cal Ripken Jr. 43/49. Andrew Benintendi for the Kansas City Royals with Queso. Casey Mize, Braylon Marcus, Manny Machado, Vlad Guerrero Jr., Sam Huff, and JD Martinez. Well, we got a fat autograph. I'll tell you that one. Hopefully, it's the Inception auto. Tristan McKenzie and Aniel de los Santos, Luminance. Aniel Face. Aniel Face. Oh, we got a numbered one. Caber Ruiz, 16/100. Clear Vision rookie. Dude. I'll explain it after the video. Luis Patino, Andres Jimenez, Caber Ruiz, Pete Alonso, Leody Taveras. Boom. Right in Ugly Nugget's face. Look at that. All right. Well, be one of those, what is it? Be one of those patch autographs. I'm going to start from there. Vlad Guerrero Jr., Nick Gordon, Dane Dunning silver. Wow, the only rainbows of Dane Dunning. Mike Trout and Whit Merrifield. Joe Adele rookie, and our hits is I don't know the magnitude. 4/99 for the Tampa Bay Rays. Shane McClanahan. I thought it was going to be one of those Origins autograph. Sorry, Matt. I don't know why I said Inception. What's up, Burak? Number dos. Young and Redemption. Oh wait, that should have gone in the pack in the trash, right? Nate Pearson. Oh, and Ugly Nuggets face. Leody Taveras again. Carlos Correa, Alec Baum, Dalton Varsho, Bobby Dalbec, Esteban Florial. Remember that one where it was like, oh, what is this? And he throws it away. Oh, that's trash, da da da. Remember that one? I think we might not. Logan Gilbert, Tucupita Marcano for the Padres. Caber Ruiz again. Ooh, Javier Baez. 103 of 199 for the Cubs. Vlad Guerrero, Casey Mize, Tucupita, Bryce Harper, and Jared Oliva. I was hoping that one was going to be gold, but it's actually just the color of the card. I did that with the Zion. I did. Boom! Look at that. A true green. 2 of 5. Jake Cronenworth. See the true green in a minute. Max Kepler, Alex Bregman, Geraldo Perdomo, Rear Bias, Hae-Sung Kim for the Padres also. 105 of 299. India and Mookie Betts. Alex Bregman, Nolan Arenado, John Weathers, Alex Kirilloff, Acuna, Mickey Moniak, Taylor Trammell, Jared Kelenic. Ian Anderson, Andrew McCutcheon. Oh, man. I'm missing a hit in this box. Wow, that's what I get for talking all that trash. Bryce Harper, Javier Baez. Another green! Trevor Horror Story. Wow, this box had 2 green PMGs. Please tell me that what I'm missing is going to be a relic and not an autograph. Please tell me that at least. Albert Pujols for the Dodgers. Red jersey in there. Hae-Sung Kim, Alex Manoah, Andrew Vaughn, Alex Bregman, Caber Ruiz. I guess we missed the autograph, huh? Funny man, one here. Yeah. Baseball 2020 Panini Chronicles. Obsidian autographs. Card number 28. Christian Pache. That's just going to be the regular Obsidian, huh? It's not going to be the Obsidian patch autograph. Ooh. Dope if it was the Obsidian patch autograph. Then you could have probably got like a nasty patch auto on there. And we were missing one autograph in that one, though. How's he doing on the Athletics, though? Yep. You know it. Yeah. Silver Day Dunny starts the next box. Ugh. That sucks. Terrible. Terrible. Oh, I do have 4 boxes left. You'll do all 4 boxes? Damn.